This came with an old welder that I'm restoring, and obviously this is not safe to use. It's got more exposed copper than it does coated copper. You know, the insulation is just falling off. So what do you do when your cables look like this or are starting to look like that? What you do is you don't throw them away, you get yourself a new pair of leads for your welder, and then you reuse this. The first step you're going to need to do is strip all the old insulation off. Now that you've got all the insulation off, we need to cut it into 3 equal pieces. Once you have that done, take each of your 3 pieces, take one end, wrap it in electrical tape, put it in some sort of vise, and then go ahead and braid it. You just take the middle one over that way, and then this one, and that one, and that one, and that one. If I can do it with one hand, you can Google it and figure out how to do it. But we're going to braid that. I can get a lot tighter than that with 2 hands, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Once you get it braided all the way to the end, I like to tape the last couple inches just to keep it from unraveling. If you got enough length, you can also tie it in a knot. This one wasn't quite long enough, but other ones I've seen, you know, with a little bit more length, they tie both of these ends together in a knot. That way you've got a choker or like a sling, so you can wrap it around the pipe and pull it through and then ground to it. So what this is for is if you've got a big pipe or something odd shaped you need to ground to, and you don't have a magnet ground, that's another way to do this, awkward stuff, a magnetic ground, but that won't work on stainless. But what you can do is just, I don't have a big pipe handy, you put it around your big pipe, pinch it together with your ground clamp, make sure it's tight around there, or you can wrap it, you know, wrap it around the pipe, whatever. Really wish I had a big pipe around. And then clamp it together with your ground clamp. But basically it's just for stuff that your ground clamp won't fit around and your magnetic ground won't stick to or is difficult to place. So there you go. Didn't cost me nothing but time, a little bit of electrical tape.